At first we need to go to settings. Then we need to scroll down a little bit in order to find lock screen and AOD and choose it. Now go to screen lock and biometrics, enter the screen lock password. If you don't have screen lock password, then you will need to set it up to be able to use fingerprints. Then if you have the password, then go to fingerprints, press continue, and now we can register our finger. So let's press register. Over here we have our fingerprint sensor. We need to touch with our finger and then lift it once the green circle is filled. And do this with different angles. Try to use different angles in order to scan as much of your finger as possible, so that in the future there are no issues with enabling or unlocking your phone. Try to cover the whole display, or actually the whole sensor, if possible. Once you reach 100%, you will have the option to add another fingerprint or press done. I'm just gonna press done. Then you have the settings for the fingerprint, so here you can adjust the fingerprint and you can decide for what you should be able to use it. And that is all. Check this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.